Hi, so I am doing another meal and it's a weekend and I'm having friends over and I'm making a Japanese meal. So I'm not going to show you how to do everything, but I'm going to walk you through the process and I have all of the recipes available to you. Okay, so I'm going to start you off with the miso soup. I use white miso and it's basically 1 tablespoon to 1 cup of water, and I usually add a packet of dashinomoto. I made this one a little mild because I'm having some misoyaki halibut is what my friends gave me. So there's the miso soup, and then I did this in advance because there's a lot going on, right, when you have people over. So I have these bowls and I have some green onions in them already, and this is called kombu. It's just dried seaweed, so when you put the hot soup in it, it'll hydrate and it'll look really nice in the soup. And I usually put in a little bit of tofu, chop up small cubes as well. And then I'm also having green beans. I'm gonna stir fry it. I did shave off a couple of minutes. So I have garlic in there with about a tablespoon of butter and smoked salt. And then coming over here, so these are the bento boxes I have. I like to make things special when people come over. So I've already put together some otsukemono, which is just pickled vegetables. This is takuan, which is radish, and then this is chibazuke, which is eggplant. And then I did what's called Ajitama. It's a really good soft-boiled egg that you marinate in this delicious sauce for at least 4 hours. And actually, I would have cooked this maybe another 15-20 seconds. I love eggs runny, but I don't know that my guests love eggs runny, so I'll keep my fingers crossed and hope they do. And there is the fish that I'm going to broil in just a little bit. And I'm making tofu. It's the umami tofu with enoki mushrooms. So I have had this sitting to reduce the water content. It's been sitting for about an hour, and I've squeezed out the water every 15 minutes. And I'm going to add enoki mushrooms. There you go, Japanese mushrooms and furikake. I have this recipe on my website and YouTube. And then I had some mini cheesecake that I made last week, and I froze it in advance knowing that I would have this dinner. So super easy recipe. I'll need to type that up as well. But on top of it is just a lilikoi, which is passion fruit. I added real passion fruit. I got it from a store that sells the passion fruit concentrate. And I added a little sugar and I thickened it. And then I also added some mikan, some mandarin oranges to that. So, and then I have some rice over there. You can see that picture of my mom. In front of that is the rice cooker, and I had that soaking for half an hour and it's cooking. So I will take a picture when everything's done, and I hope this helps you to walk through the process when you cook for a dinner on how you can set things up well in advance so that the day of you're not running around like a chicken with its head cut off. Okay, so here's the finished product. And my husband doesn't like furikake, so that's not on his rice. There you go.